Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my new bag, girl. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. Girl, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I got a new bag, girl, and this is it right here. For those of you just tuning in for the first time, you have to excuse my voice. I don't know where it went, girl. It left a couple of days ago. You know, I'm just getting over the flu, and it's been at least 4 days, and my voice left and they never came back. I don't know if it took one of my bags or what and just dipped. I don't know. Maybe it'll be back soon. I hope. But this is rough. Oh my gosh. Don't make me laugh. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into this bag, okay? This bag is way more fabulous than my voice right now, okay? This is it. This is how it came packaged. Nice and neat. As not to be damaged in transit. But this is one of those bags that I mentioned about 8-9 months ago on my wish list, and here it is just about 9 months later, and I got it. This is a Gucci piece. Like I said, I have really been wanting this bag for forever. It's been on my radar for a very, very, very long time, and it is beautiful, girl. Beautiful. This is it right here. This is the Gucci Ophidia Tote, and she is everything, okay? Everything. The best. It is beautiful. Look at it. I love this leather trim. I love the canvas. I love the red and green accent down the front. So beautiful, and it's so big. I was not looking for this bag to be as big as it is, and I'm shockingly surprised. Let's go ahead and look at the inside. All right. Yes, and it does come with a clochette inside, or a pochette, a pouch, whatever you want to call it. Almost like a LV Never Full bag. Very, very nice. Oh, this bag is everything. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to it today to begin carrying it. I just think it is the cutest, and I can put so much in here. Great for traveling, great as an everyday mom bag, work bag, just whatever, because I can store my laptop, an iPad, all of my daily things, my planners, everything will fit in here nicely. I'm going to go ahead and put some stuff in it because, like I said, I'm going to carry this today. I am so in love with this bag. This bag is everything. I am loving it. Everything about it is beautiful. So yeah, if you're looking for a new tote, something other than the Louis Vuitton Never Full bags, this one is a great choice. I absolutely love this bag. This one is great. You want to go with this very bag, okay? Loving it. But that's it for me. Let me know what you think. Be sure to leave me a comment down below in the comments area, okay? Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell too so that you don't miss any of my uploads, okay? Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there will definitely be another video. And as you see, girl, not even losing my voice can stop me from bringing you these videos, okay? So rock with me, okay? Rock with you, girl. Be sure to subscribe, okay? Because I am dedicated to this. Flu and all, girl. I'm bringing you all the most beautiful bags, girl, right here at Makeup Misha's channel, okay? Bye.